and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to view some Ipsy spoilers for the glam bag for September of 2020. I can't even believe that I've been doing spoiler videos for a year now. Like, who am I? Like, I don't even remember how I got into doing spoiler videos. I think I might have made one, or I said something like I looked at my bag early and like gave my thoughts on it, and then you guys were like, keep doing this, we like the spoilers. And so here I am a year later doing spoiler videos, and I love them because honestly, if it's not good enough, skip it. Save your money, and that's the point in these spoiler videos, is to save your money, skip the month if it's just not gonna be worth it. So you guys, September regular glam bag spoilers, here we go. Are you guys excited? Then give this video a thumbs up, because I am your neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal who is extremely friendly. I messed it up, you guys. You guys know what I like to say. Your friendly neighborhood spoiler unboxing gal, but I totally messed it up. But anyways, if you guys are new here, hello, my name is CONNORKRYSTYN. Yes, I do a lot of spoilers on this channel, but anyways, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It would mean so much to me, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you are a viewer, it would literally melt my heart if you go ahead and subscribe. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. I definitely have some thoughts and opinions on these spoilers, but first off, number one spoiler, the Benefit Cosmetics, the Porefessional Hydrate Primer. So you guys know all of these in the regular glam bag are usually almost deluxe size samples. You get lucky sometimes and get a full-sized item. Now these deluxe size samples of the Benefit primers are probably about the same size as this lipstick, so it is very small, but I can say without a doubt this primer is really good, that you will go out and buy the full size. And I have seen people selling this on Poshmark full size, 15 to 20 bucks, which is still way better than like the $32, $33 it is full size, because we did get this in a Boxycharm box, the full size, because, well, hello, I got the regular primer and I don't like it because it makes my skin burn, so I did buy this primer to like even swap it out so I could try it. And yeah, this primer is so good. This is the full size, and even it's like really tiny, but it's a really good primer. So if you guys get this, you're gonna be really happy with it. And yeah, let's move on to the next one. Now this is one that I have thoughts on, especially because I have this and I don't like it. I hate this mascara. I'm sorry, I hate it. Let me show you why. Now, packaging wise, is bright and blinding. It's like super hot pink. It's picking up more purple in camera. I don't know why, but here's the problem, and I'm gonna open this because I have already used this. So the wand is freaking huge. Okay, this wand is so big. I don't even know how you guys are gonna be able to use it with this little sample size wand. Like, it's a little nub. Like, oh, the wand's way too big. My eyelashes come out super clumpy, and it just is not a cute look. Now, if the wand wasn't as fluffy, I'm sure this mascara would be really good. I've considered, like, whenever I run out of another mascara, just like switching the wand so I can, you know, get the mascara out of here. But this wand is like ruining it for the mascara. So that's one that, you know, I don't know if you guys are gonna like it or not. I absolutely don't, but then there's some people out there that do like this mascara. So if you're one of them, good for you. For me, it doesn't work out. I'm like that TikTok hack where you put like tons of mascara all over and then it gets all over the lid, and then you take it away and your eyelash is supposed to look better, which it does work, I can tell you, because I used to do that all the time, say 2 years ago and back, because that's kind of like how I did my mascara. So it does work, but that's kind of what this would do unintentionally, because it's just so big and messy. But anyways, let's move on to the next spoiler, shall we? So this is Pixi by Petra, the Endless Silky Eye Pen Duo in Black Caviar and Bronze Beam. So I'm not sure if these are going to be full size or if they're going to be like, you know, mini sample sizes, but either way, it's a duo. It's Pixi. It's going to be good. Pixi is amazing, and you get a brown color and a black, and brown is going to go so well with fall looks coming up. Love a good brown eyeliner. I just got one in my premium. It's from Milk Makeup, so I'm excited if I got another one, especially Pixi, because I haven't tried their liners before, but they're a great brand, so give me the Pixi, please. Thank you. And plus 2 of them, that's like an extra item in your bag. Like, let's be real. Next up, from PYT Beauty, this is the Day to Night Eyeshadow in Cool. So it's a quad. I know some people were having some negative thoughts about the last quad. I don't think it was this brand. It was a different one, I think, that they got, and they said that the shadow sucked ball sack. So hopefully this one's good. It's really, really pretty. You can definitely get some smoky eye looks with it for like the fall time. And I mean, I like the shades. They're neutral. Everybody can use them. Hopefully the quality is good though. Next up, from Skin Regimen, this is a cleansing cream. It says, this gentle, non-drying foaming cream effectively removes makeup, SPF, dust, and residues to leave your skin ultra clean. Its longevity complex consists of organic superfood extracts and a high-tech molecule counteracting the effects of stress and aging accelerators. I have a lot of stress, so I would like to try this so I can just like say, hold up, wait a minute. You know what I mean? No, just me? Okay. Next up, we have something from Purlisse. This is the Purlisse Youth Glow Vitamin C CC Cream SPF 50. So I actually just unboxed an entire bundle of Purlisse products. Go check it out if you are interested. I'll have it linked below. Amazing subscription box, and it was themed all Purlisse for this month, so definitely go check that out. It's worth the price. It's like so cheap for so many products. Anyways, so this says, yes, you still need SPF in the fall. This multitasking color correcting cream glides on like a tinted moisturizer with all the brightening, age defying, and sunscreen benefits of a foundation and CC cream. Plus, it's enhanced with 15% vitamin C and hyaluronic acid to keep you moisturized. Love that description. Anyways, next up, from Cheyenne B Miami, this is the contour brush. This actually looks like a really good contour brush. I like the angle on it. So if you get this contour brush, I think you'll be very excited. Do I read the description of it? Probably not. Next up, we have from Pacifica Beauty. This is the Desert Sunset Matte Blush and Bronzer. It says, this sweet sunny duo gives you 2 matte shades to slay your day. The bronzer has a matte finish, which makes it great for nixing shine. The blush will leave you with a natural looking rosy flush. Here's the thing about this. I actually had some Pacifica blushes that I got 2 years ago, back in 2018, and they were very powdery and messy, where like if you put them on your cheek, even if you like dab it off, it would kind of like, you'd put it on and then you could see the crumble fall down and like mess up your makeup. I don't know if, since it's been 2 years, if the formula is the same or not, but I didn't like those blushes. Plus they were like really pigmented, where like when the things dropped, you could see the little specks and you wiped it away and then there was a streak, and it was a whole thing. I wasn't into it, but you know, whatever. If you get this, let me know your thoughts on it whenever we get to that point when we unbag in September, which I haven't even gotten my regular glam bag yet for this month, which I was kind of like hoping you would come kind of early, because I did happen to get my regular Ipsy Plus on like what, the 8th, the 7th, the 6th, I don't know. I got it early as crap, you guys. I'll have that video linked down below if you haven't seen it yet. But anyways, this is all of the spoilers, and yeah. Obviously I'll give you more spoilers when they come out, but these are the spoilers for now. So if you guys enjoyed, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!